Are you ready for the best year ever? Stay tuned because I'm sharing with you how you can set goals for this next year with ease. Hi, I'm Angela Turpin and I'm the founder of AsFreeAsYouSee. I am a breakthrough coach and healer of queens. I help women trauma thrivers start, scale, and operate their business of their dreams. I share with you straightforward ways on conquering childhood trauma, creating self-trust, mastering your energy so that you can create clarity, consistency, certainty, and clients in your business. Let's get started. This is part of the Pay What You Can goal setting workshop, where you pay what you can to get content around setting goals and creating a plan so you feel supported and ready to dominate your year. You received a guided meditation on transformation, and if you haven't checked that out yet, please be sure to pause this video and do the meditation first. I have strategically planned all of this to deliver the most amazing results for you. I have linked the meditation in the comments. Please be sure to go check it out now. Also, you received a module on reflection, and I want to know, how did that go? What aha moments did you have? Leave it in the comments below. I would love to hear how this is already helping you. And if you haven't watched that reflection module, make sure that you pause this video and go back to it. Remember, reflection is about non-judgmental observation. This is to help you grow, not to beat yourself up over the things that didn't happen this year. It's okay. Today, I'm sharing with you how to overcome roadblocks and excuses. Why? Because you've got them, and I've got them too. The reason why you want to look at your roadblocks first is so that you're prepared when they happen, because let's face it, they will happen. If you're not prepared for these roadblocks, they can potentially set you back for days and even months. Going over your reflection journal prompts from the previous module should have given you an idea of where you might face these roadblocks. But not just with roadblocks, your excuses as well. Most people starting a business claim their business fails because of time, energy, and money. All of those excuses, they're really bullshit. You can start a business online for free almost. You really just need a smart device and an internet connection. Most coffee shops have free Wi-Fi. There's no excuses about money anymore. You can legit start your business on Facebook. You just need a way to connect with people, interact with them, and serve them, all of which can be done through Facebook. You can even take payments through Facebook now. There are no more excuses. The energy is really about mastering your energy. And if you are struggling with emotions and triggers constantly setting you back, then reach out to me. I have an 8-week signature healing program that will help you learn how to master your energy so that you are not constantly dealing with triggers and emotions all of the time that keep you from what you want to do. This program will change your life. Time is about priorities and whether or not you're going all in. Again, if you're struggling with this, reach out to me. I can help you solve this. All of these excuses come down to whether or not you're taking responsibility for your actions and your habits. To share a little personal note, my excuses were being victim to my relationship last year. This is why everything happened, and this is why everything failed. My relationship. And I see now how it was my excuse that I used for everything. Roadblocks will happen. It's a part of life. Just remember, it's about helping you navigate through them. You want to be prepared for what might come up. For me right now, it's working around my daughter's schedule without a babysitter. So I have to figure out a plan around this so that I don't make any excuses as to why I'm not getting any work done. Are you seeing how this works? The next set of journal prompts is to help you prepare, but also bust through your excuses and limiting beliefs around setting your goals and creating success. So let's jump into the journal prompts so that there isn't any confusion on how to answer them. The first one, those goals that you didn't meet that you talked about in the previous module. Why didn't you meet them? Be honest. Remember, if you're not being honest, it's a waste of everyone's time. 2, the reasons why. Are they reasons or excuses? Be honest. This doesn't help if you're not honest. What are reasons exactly? Family death, child being sick in the hospital, you being sick in the hospital, etc. 3, how are you getting in your own way? Remember, this is about non-judgmental observation. Blocking yourself from success is normal. You're not alone. I've done it too. 4, what are you getting out of not meeting your goals? This one is huge. This allows you to see what the secondary gain from not achieving things. Secondary gain is something you're getting out of not doing what you consciously desire. For example, mine is always connection and love and safety. You want to be honest with yourself about this. You'll know when you get there. It takes a little bit. And when you see it, it can potentially be emotional. 5, how can you give yourself these things in a healthy way? To change your habits, you must start giving yourself the things that you're looking for. How can you create connection to love in your life so you're not sabotaging yourself? These journal prompts might cause some emotions, and that's okay. That means it's working. To change habits sometimes causes us to get emotional because you can actually see what's been holding you back and you realize that it's actually you the whole time, and that causes a lot of emotions, and that is okay. It sucks. It's not fun, but it's okay. Allow yourself time and space to work on this. Be gentle with yourself. It's okay. Remember, you want to be ready for roadblocks because they do happen, and you want to ditch your excuses here and now. Remember, you can download your journal prompts down in the description area below, and the next modules, we are going into setting your goals, so you want to be prepared, and I'll see you there.